Go ahead. First ball showing, I-26, 2-6.
26.
I don't rubber band mine together, so it wasn't me.
B6, the number 6. B14, 1-4.
Thank you.
31. $70.
Numbers?
$42. $21. $50. $33. $38. $54. $47.
It's going to be somebody who says, I don't have any tickets. What happened to all my tickets?
18. $74. $9. $30. $44. $29. $27. $39.
Bingo!
Oh, good for you.
Bingo called on 39. Hold it. Got your banana split. Banana split is next.
Good for you. All night, people. All night.
You came back to back.
Yeah, me too.
Mike,
That's
you came back to back. The last two numbers came back to back.
Go ahead. 14, 27, last number call. 54, and 74 is 1 to the jackpot 5. Do we have any others? Any other things?
Finally made some money, huh?
I know, right?
Picture.
That's right. Picture.
Did you check out the Facebook page?
Not yet. I went home and went to sleep.
All night, even. All night.
All right. Banana split is being in 2 parts. 3 pots of 500, 1,000.
She lets me win.
For a total of $1,500. Each of the whole will remain the rest of the whole. Good luck.
1, 2, 3,
Four number
4,
next.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 99, my dear.
$11.99
First
for
ball.
you and for
Del.
Del.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
56.
56.
Thank you, winner.
You're welcome.
46.
See, I needed my boy Del to call for me to win.
68,
Finally got $11.99. Finally.
36, 66, 54, 18,
That jackpot 5 went for a long time. I thought somebody was going to call it.
7, 35, 42, 58, 43, 50, 29, 70, 40,
I got all high numbers.
3, 34, 22, 59,
Bingo! Oh my goodness.
bingo column 59. Who's got the
Coming on
hole?
this way now.
You got the guys split? 111.
750.
Valid.
For 750.
That was KP. That was KP, you guys.
46, 59, last one column. And 68, 20, 41, 50, 43, 46, 28, 10, 1,
Me too.
44,
Me too. No, I need two numbers.
18.
Bingo!
Quiet over here. It was too quiet.
Too quiet over here. We had to get it going over here.
4311.
Bounce number.
Oh, right here.
Twice as nice.
This is the second change.
Oh,
1,
18 lines. 24, 43, one out part one. Any others?
hey, Eva, give me that.
Any other
They
bingoes?
need it. They need it.
Yes, please.
Part one is closed with one number. Rest of part two for 500. Your next
How
call.
much is the part one?
40.
11.99.
Possible bingo 40.
I'm in a monitor. I'm in a monitor.
Somebody bingo.
I'm in a monitor for part 2.
But I think somebody bingo.
Yeah, that's why I said I'm in a monitor.
Yeah.
I'm on the monitor right here.
But somebody bingo. She got this right.
I know.
Twice.
I'm in the monitor.
That would have been awesome.
Part 2. I know, right? To have all of it.
45, 41, 41,
She didn't get part 2.
50, and 53. 53 is one round, part 2. Any others?
Didn't you have 55 too?
Any other bingo?